That small thing. Oh, sorry. Wait, oh, I forgot. It's a new update. Look, this one is a new old update before. Now I have this. But this one have a new toys. Wait, how do I get this new toy? Yeah. Yeah, that's a new toy. And this one, oh, that's just the old toy. Well, wait, where can we go? Okay, we're back. So, you know this? You don't know, never seen this before? Well, need to do something first. Yeah, we need to. Put it on the bag. Yeah. Look at this. Okay. What's that? Okay. It do that, right? Yeah. Look. You want to do it more? Get this and yeah, how do I put it? Oh, it worked. If you want to revive it, yes, but you know on the before video someone did the new syringes. You cannot see that, but we can see this. If you want to try it again, but the hands. Oh no, I'm sorry. That's not. Oh no. Okay. Okay. Ooh, it was fast, right? Now. Oh no. Sorry. Okay. What about the last one? Okay, we need to fix it back. Anyways, he's back. Hi guys. I love this game so much. Where did that syringe go? Okay, anyways, bye guys.